Knees wrap around the fabric and move to the Dhanurasana bow pose. Breathe. Head turn to one side, other side, and release your legs, release your palms, and open your legs. Catch the fabric with your arms and sit it back. Yes, now use your arms. You can hold the fabric, bunch of fabric together, little more down. Yes, feet open, bend your knees and wrap around the fabric. Yes, good. Elbows straight, arms down, and make a prayer position in behind the spine. Breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, twist your spine to the right side, twisting to the left side, twist to the right, twist to the left, and slowly back to the center. Release your palm, put your palms on your mat, walk your arms, walk forward, walk, head up, look up, lift up, breathe. Take a deep breath. Now shoulders open, breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Now slowly walk back, release your arm, catch the fabric inner thigh and climb up, climb again and above your leg. Climb up.
Maybe like this, but just the sequence was
Yes.
not like this.
Yes, bend your knees and catch your ankles as kick your leg out. Breathe, use your both palms and keep your legs once again. Release your arms, keep your right leg and make a creeper plant like your right leg. Release your left foot and bend your knees and catch your ankles with your palms and fingers. Hold your ankles, stretch more, breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale and release your legs, keep your legs back to the previous posture and slowly catch up and climb up and split your legs apart and make a prayer posture. Breathe, open your legs apart and make a prayer posture. Breathe, kick your arms against. Breathe, make a prayer posture. Breathe. Now hold your fabric with your palms next to your waist, legs together, and breathe. Body up and slowly fly posture. Change your arm one by one arm like this. Turn your palms. Breathe. Breathe.